In April, Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders signed a law that requires the Ten Commandments to be displayed in every public classroom and library in the state. Now, 7 Arkansas families are taking action after saying it infringes on their constitutional rights. Isley Gooden has more.
That's right, Daniela. These families have filed to overturn this law. The complaint was filed by parents on behalf of themselves and their minor children in the Fayetteville, Springdale, Bentonville, and other school districts. I talked to the CEO of Americans United for Separation of Church and State on what this lawsuit means.
We are there for the families, the parents, and students of Arkansas, and we've showed up to defend your religious freedom. So we filed a lawsuit with our allies to challenge the Ten Commandments mandate in public schools.
7 Arkansas families with children in public schools filed suit in federal court to block a new state law requiring all public elementary and secondary schools to display the Ten Commandments in every classroom and library.
Because that's not the right place to be teaching about religion. It's not good for religion. And it's not good for religious freedom.
Rachel Lazar, the president and CEO of Americans United for Separation of Church and State, sat down with KATV to share why these families are pushing back.
From a variety of different reasons, but they worry about their children being ostracized. They worried about their children being bullied because they're not the state-sponsored religion. Many of them have already experienced being bullied in the classroom and being told that their religion is the wrong religion.
And how do you all believe that this is against their constitutional rights?
Oh, well, it's a violation of the free exercise clause and the non-establishment clause because it's interfering with families' ability to exercise the religion of their choice or exercise no religious beliefs. And it's also the state favoring one set of religious beliefs over others. And that is a flat out abject violation of the separation of church and state.
This attempt to overturn this new law may be a long legal process.
And if you really value religion, then you should value other parents' rights to raise their kids according to their religious beliefs.
These families' faiths all differ from being Jewish to non-religious, but they all think the Ten Commandments should not be in schools with the hopes of removing this law by its effective date of August.
All right, Isley, thank you. The attorneys are asking a federal judge to declare the state requirement unconstitutional and to block the implementation of the law while the suit is pending.